Hello, welcome to Video Creator. In this course, after you complete it, you'll be receiving a video startup kit. And the first step that you need to do is to set up your video kit. And I'm just going to show you some of the things that are in your kit. So in this box, we have a Rode microphone. We also have a tripod that will mount your iPad. You're going to be receiving 5 iPad cases, a power strip to plug in and charge your iPads. You'll have an Ographer case and mounting solution for your iPad mini. And then you will be receiving 5 iPad minis. So after you get all your kit, you're then going to open up everything and get it out. So, we just unboxed everything in your video kit. We have your power strip. The first thing that you need to do is you need to charge your iPads. You'll be using your power strip to do that. Each iPad comes with a power block that can plug into a wall or an outlet. It also comes with a cord. The cool thing about this power strip is it comes with USB ports, so you can just plug into these USB ports, plug it into your iPad Lightning port, and that will charge it. You're going to be using these iPad mini cases. You have 2 options. You can put your iPad in one of these 5 iPad mini cases, and I would recommend this when you're not recording video. That way your students can use it and it'll be kept safe. When you're ready to record video, you're going to be using this Ographer stand, or this Ographer case. And the way it works is you need to match up the lens with the lens hole in the Ographer case. And there's kind of there's 2 little notches here and a big notch here that's flexible. So what you would do is you would match up that lens with the Ographer lens hole. And I'm going to put it in kind of slanted. And then I'm going to push it down here until it snaps into place. And you'll hear a loud snap. Once you have that done, the Ographer has different ports that you can attach microphones. So we're going to be attaching the Rode mic to this left port. And I'm going to use this wheel to tighten the mic so it doesn't fall out. And with the Rode mic, there's a jack, an audio jack that you're going to plug in a red cord that comes with the Rode mic. So you'll plug this in from here to the audio jack, which is located here on the iPad. The Ographer also comes with a screw, kind of a place for you to screw something in, and that's for mounting to the tripod. And I'll show you how to do that. So with the tripod, after you get it out of the box, the top has this little kind of protective knob in this hole. You're going to use this side lever to release, then you can take this out. You're going to take off this protective little piece right here, and you can discard this or hold on to it. I discard it, and then I typically put this on the Ographer case, and you can leave it there so that way you don't lose it. So you screw it in, and then you're going to place this little notch, this holding unit. You're going to relatch and lock that in place so it doesn't move. Still feels a little wobbly. And the way this tripod works is you can use this handle to change the direction of your iPad. And you can also lock it in place by using this wheel. This will loosen and tighten so it'll be a little more stable. You can't move it. And if you want to extend the neck, you're going to release this little, I don't know what it's called. And you can bring this neck up and then retighten it if you need it taller. For the legs, you're going to undo a latch, extend the leg to the full amount, and you can do that with 1, 2, 3, 4 extensions. So if you want it with the full length, you would undo each one, extend it, relock, and so on. And so this will be about 5 or 6, this can get up to 5 to 6 feet, and you can do that with all the legs.